Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Nenkoo 15-inch pressure washer surface cleaner, 4500 PSI. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: professional cleaning. Power washer surface cleaner gives a commercial grade cleaning area of 15 inches wide. Compatible with pressure washers up to 4500 PSI, ideal for cleaning tough stains on large flat surfaces such as patios, driveways, decks, sidewalks. Efficient cleaning. The 15-inch surface cleaner features dual pressure water jets that rotate quickly to break up dirt and grime without leaving streaks or lines on the surface. It cleans large surfaces up to 5 times faster than standard nozzles. The surface cleaner for gas and electric pressure cleaners reduces cleaning time by up to 60% compared to conventional nozzles. High-quality surface cleaner. Heavy-duty bearings and durable stainless steel construction for long-term use. Power wash surface cleaner has a built-in filter to prevent clogging from impurities. 1/4 inch quick plug. Easily connects to the included pressure washer gun or other 1/4 inch quick connect accessories. Surface cleaner can be used with most gasoline pressure washers. Multifunctional applications. From driveways and patios to decks and sidewalks, our surface cleaners can handle a variety of cleaning tasks. Whether you need to clean concrete, stone or tile surfaces, this pressure washer surface cleaner is up to the challenge for a variety of cleaning projects. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.